Today we're making chocolate custard slice. This is a really quick and easy recipe that was handed down from my grandmother. She used to make this recipe all the time and it's really easy, and you can make it with kids. We used to help her when we were kids all the time. So to start off, we're going to make our custard. So into our sauce pot, we're going to add our cocoa powder, our corn flour and our sugar. And we're going to mix that all about to get it nice and incorporated. And then we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of our milk to make a paste with it, just so that we can get out any of those lumps. And once we've got it all nice and mixed, we can go ahead and add the rest of our milk in there so that we can start making our custard. I don't know where my grandmother got this recipe from. It's just something that we grew up with, and from what my mum tells us, she grew up with as well. It's just really delicious. It's not too sweet, and you make it in advance. So you put it in the fridge and then you can just enjoy it when it comes ready for dessert time. So what we're gonna do over medium-low heat, we're gonna go ahead and we're going to stir it continuously until it thickens. And once it thickens, we're gonna go ahead and allow it to sort of boil for a couple of minutes just to make sure that that corn flour is cooked. Because sometimes if you don't cook the corn flour enough, it tastes a little starchy. Once we've done that and our custard is cooked, we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of custard into that tray, and it's so silky and smooth, it's delicious. So just a little bit of custard down the bottom of the tray, and I'm just using one of these disposable trays just to make it easier, especially if you're going to take this somewhere with you as dessert. So we're gonna line our tray with a little bit of custard, top it with some teddy bear biscuits. You can use Marie biscuits or milk biscuits or whatever type of biscuits. My grandmother just used to make it with teddy bear biscuits, so that's what I'm using. Once we've made our first layer of biscuits, we're gonna put more custard on the top, and then we're gonna go ahead and put down a second row of biscuits, just in one even layer. And then on top of that, we're gonna top it with the rest of the custard, and that's really it. That's all you need to do. We're just gonna cover it now with the chocolate custard, and then we're going to go ahead and, in this case, because I'm using a foil pan, it comes with its own lid, but if you don't have one of those, just top it with some plastic wrap, touching the custard, and put it in the fridge overnight. When you're ready to serve, you can just go ahead and cut that up and serve it to your friends and family or whoever you're giving it to. And it slices beautifully, so you'll see here that I've just cut a slice and struggling with it to put it down. And there we go, that's all it. So you want to refrigerate it for about overnight, about 12 hours, and then you can serve it. I hope you like this, I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.